Hello everybody, it is Nightshade Moon here. I just thought I would come on and do a updated witchy room tour just because I have changed some things around. So you're staring at my witchy cabinet right now, which is an absolute mess. You can see my reflection there, hello. So please ignore up top on the witchy cabinet because there's just a whole bunch of junk up there and I'm not going to get into it, so yeah. I don't know if I've done a witchy cabinet tour since I've moved in here last May, but maybe if I haven't, I can check and then do one again. So obviously you see the cat's litter box and stuff. He eats his breakfast on top of this old dresser in the window, and yeah, it's really bright in here because the storm we just had knocked the awning off the window, so we have to fix that. I've changed some stuff around a little bit on top of my bookcase and I've cleaned it up a little bit, and you know, nothing crazy there. So, a bookcase, all of my witchy books here on this shelf, and then we have some here, and then I have some aromatherapy massage books and stuff here that I'm borrowing from my aunt. Up top is just books of mine and my boyfriend's that we both have read or like to read or will read again, whatever the case may be. And then I also have Stephen King books down here that I got from a friend, and my dog is barking out the window like a butthead. So, in here I just have Gage's old changing table as storage right now, just we're saving it for future use. And I did have it covered with a blanket, just because there's junk all over it, and the cat decided to tear the blanket down and play in it, so whatever. Padfoot, say hi. Say hi, kitties. Say hi, kitty. I shocked you. I'm sorry. I have his little cat toy over here. His little Heidi thing. I don't know. He doesn't play with it as much. This table used to be by the door, and I did move it over here with the light on it. And I have my little incense basket on there. Candle flame's blowing around a little bit because the heater is on and the vent is behind my chair on the floor. But yeah, so I just have some stuff on there. Same stuff on the wall. I just didn't light the candles in my sconces today, especially because I need to get another silver candle. It's funny because my silver candle on this side burned almost all the way down, as you can see how short it is. And on the other side, you know, the silver was my goddess candle and the gold was my god candle, and that one didn't really burn down as much. I'm surprised, but whatever. I still have my tapestry hanging on the wall. It looks a lot different because I did have that futon in here. I actually literally, and I mean literally, broke it apart this morning and threw it in the trash because it's old and it's not getting used, and somebody over there that's on the floor staring at the heater vent decided to pee on it a couple of times, so I'm not happy about that. He hasn't done it in a really long time, but I just didn't really know how to clean the smell out of it or anything to get him to stop doing it, so yeah. Anyway, so it got thrown out. So I have this little "They Danced by the Light of the Moon, Witching Hours and Hocus Pocus" sign that I got from the Christmas tree shops this past fall. I have that hanging there. That was in my living room during Halloween. I still have the broom above the doorway. It's dusty as hell up there. Please don't look. I forgot to show you guys over here that I got this from my work. It was on clearance for like 25 cents sometime after Halloween. Like, we still had a bunch of stuff. Little Day of the Dead sugar skull thing. So anyway, now I'm wandering over here. So I have this little thing here. I did have my cauldron sitting on this. What I want to do is make it like a little offering station. So I have like my offering dish, water dish, my little witchy statues back there, and a candle. That candle's supposed to have a smell, but I think because it's so old, it just doesn't have a smell. It's funny. So, in this tote here is a lot of my extra stuff. Stuff that will not even fit in that witchy cabinet over there. It's like other altar cloths for the different seasons and stuff like that. This cloth here is just what I use to cover my crystal ball when I'm not using it, but I have it uncovered right now just to, you know, show it on the video. But yeah, there's a lot of altar cloths in here, like old books, like I don't know if anyone knows about the Llewellyn Spell a Day almanacs. I have one in there from like 2004. I don't know why I've saved it, but whatever. So yeah, let's look up top to the top shelf up here. I have some workings going currently. I have a picture back there that I just think is really cute, and my mom started collecting pictures, and when she moved out, she left them, so I've been kind of holding on to them, and I really like them, and I've kind of, I don't know, kept them around and just think they're cute. And to me, they're a symbol of water, and I'm a water sign, so I don't know, I guess I'm just in some weird way attracted to them because of being a water sign. I don't know, I just like them, whatever. So I have my little daily not tarot cards, but like little oracle cards that I try to pull every day. I haven't in a couple of days because, yeah, I've been lazy. I have my pendulums in here. There's my crystal head skull vodka container. It's empty. A friend gave that to me. I was so excited because I love it. And apparently, if you fill this whole thing up with quarters, it holds like $300 worth of quarters. I don't know. I'm not sure if it will or not. That seems like way too many quarters to fit in there, but whatever. So yeah, I have working going on back there. Something I'm still working on. My crystal ball here that my aunt got me. I'm obsessed with it. I recently found this little moon and star candle holder, weird looking thing in a tote bin. I forgot I had it, so I was like, oh, I remember this, it's so cute, whatever. So I pulled it back out. I have that little vase back there that has like feathers in it and stuff. This is another working that's still going right now. I've dedicated this candle and this little like skull hand holder thing to keep a candle going for like ancestry, for my ancestors and stuff like that. I eventually want to have an ancestor altar, but right now I don't. It's not that I don't have the space, I'm just not sure how I want to do it or where I want to set it up. So right now that's the best I'm doing to kind of honor my ancestors whenever I light that candle and stuff. So anyway, you guys might have seen from my Instagram that I did change my altar around. I have a couple bunnies on there, kind of ready for spring. You know, I got different altar cloths on it and move some stuff around or whatever. So I have my hagstones on there. I found, well, my mom found the big one on the beach, and then she gave it to me, and then I found the smaller one the last week when we were just there. So, but yeah, so that's that altar. My chair that I sit in when I sit at my altar, I love it. It's almost like having a vanity, but better, because you can sit at your altar and do stuff. Window that looks out into the woods. Maybe move a little closer, you can see. Yeah, you know, we live next to the woods. Awesome. It's quiet. Well, the bugs and animals make noises, but other than that, it's quiet. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Kind of an updated little tour here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day, and many blessings. Bye.